Hi, this is Becky. This is a short video just to show you how to create and add your journals to your Google folder. These journals are what you will turn in each week for your assignments in order to earn outcome evidence. So what you do first is you're going to go to the what to do sheet that you get each week. I'm doing this in winter quarter, so your grades may be, or excuse me, your dates may be a little bit different than what show up here. But if you scroll down on that what to do page, you are going to get to the stage where usually there's a step that is writing as you read or something that has to do with the reading that you're doing. It will tell you what required text you have, and then there's always going to be a little link that says click here on this link for week. This happens to be number 2 journal, but whatever journal you need to do for that week. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to click on that journal, and a little URL will pop up. Just click there again. And this box will pop up that says, would you like to make a copy of week 2 journal memory? So you're going to say yes, make a copy. And of course your journal will be called whatever week it is that you're doing. And notice that this automatically created a journal that has up here, it's called copy of the week's journal. So first thing you're going to do is notice right next to that there's a little star, and then there's this little gray file folder icon. Go ahead and click on that, and what that's going to do is tell you that right now this document has just been created in your general Google Drive. We want to make sure that this gets into the folder that you created last week for class that you shared with me. So you're going to go down here to this blue button that says move this item, and then go back up. You'll see a new menu popped up. Just hover over where it says My Drive, and you'll see that there's a little arrow that comes up. So go ahead and go to that. And then you're going to find your folder. Now I have lots of folders in here, but you're going to go to the name of your folder that you created last week. And then you're going to say move. So click on that folder name, and then go ahead and just say move. And then what that will do is move that. Notice it's telling me it moved it from my general overall drive to the actual folder that you created in class. Once you do that, you don't have to actually save this individual folder with me. Remember last week we had to click on share and share the journal with me. You do not have to do that with this, because once you place this document into that shared folder, I will automatically be able to see it. So this is in essence the way that you turn in your assignments, is by creating the copy of the journal and then moving it to that shared folder that you shared with me last week. Then the first thing you want to do is notice that there's a highlighted place here at the top. Go ahead and just highlight that, delete it, and go ahead and type your name first and last in there. And then go ahead and follow the directions that are on the journal. Each week the journals will be a little bit different, but this same process will be done each week in order to turn in your assignments. When you're all finished with the journal, remember that you don't have to save or anything. You can just click out of it, and it will be there in your shared file that you shared with me. So I will be able to go in, take a look at that folder, and grade your work. Please be sure and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.